In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tilt a photo in Canva. If you want to add a little movement, style, or personality to your design, tilting a photo is a simple technique that can make a big visual difference. Canva makes this very easy, and in just a few moments, you'll know exactly how to rotate an image to the angle you want. To begin, open Canva and go into the design where you want to edit your photo. You can either open an existing project or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once your design is on screen, take a moment to make sure the photo you want to adjust is already added to the page. This will make the next steps much smoother. Now, click on the photo one time to select it. When the image is selected, you'll see a border appear around it, along with resize handles. This is Canva's way of showing that the photo is active and ready to be edited. If you don't see the border, just click the image again and make sure you're selecting the photo itself, not another element on the page. Next, move your cursor just outside one of the corners of the image. As you hover in the right spot, a curved rotate icon will appear. This is the tool you'll use to tilt the photo. It may take a second to position your cursor correctly, so move slowly until the rotate handle shows up clearly. Once you see it, click and hold the rotate handle. Then drag your mouse to adjust the angle of the image. If you drag clockwise, the photo will tilt to the right. If you drag counterclockwise, it will tilt to the left. Keep dragging until the image reaches the angle that looks best for your design. When you're happy with it, release your mouse to set the rotation. After tilting the photo, you can continue editing if needed. For example, you may want to resize the image or reposition it so it fits your layout better after the tilt. This is especially helpful if the rotation changes the spacing around the photo or affects how it lines up with text and other design elements. The good news is that Canva saves your changes automatically, so you don't need to worry about manually saving your work. When your design is finished and you're ready to export it, click Share, then choose Download to save your project in the format you need. And that's it. That's how to tilt a photo in Canva quickly and cleanly while keeping your design looking polished and intentional.